Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete DoorDash account. So first of all, open your app on your mobile device and then tap on this account option in the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and then tap on this frequently asked questions. It will then ask you to log into your DoorDash account using your login credential. It may even ask you to verify your identity through your phone or email. Once you're logged in, you will be redirected to this page and a chat screen will come up. Next, tap on Issues with DoorDash Order. And once you are connected to customer support official, briefly explain your issue. You can type something along the lines of, "Hi, I have decided to close my DoorDash account, but despite multiple efforts, I have not been able to proceed with the account deletion process. I will be more than thankful if you can delete my DoorDash account on my behalf." And that's pretty much it. That's how you can delete your DoorDash app account. DoorDash account on app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.